Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to make pattern invisible on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. After click on lock screen and always on display, click on secure lock settings. After click on secure lock settings, enter your phone pin, click on continue. After click on continue and you will see first option is showing you make pattern visible. If you want to make pattern invisible, so turn off make pattern visible button. After turn off make pattern visible button, you will see make pattern visible is invisible. After invisible pattern, go back to home screen. So that's how you can make pattern invisible on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.